Hi guys, I'm Sunny and welcome back to Sunny's Effing Delicious. Today we are making a very simple Caribbean spiced chicken breast with salad on a warm flatbread. Delicious, packed with flavour and really simple to make. Let's do this. Right guys, first things first, let's prepare our chicken breast. Now chicken breast comes with a thin side and a thick side. If you put it in the pan like this, one side will overcook and the thick side will be undercooked. So what we're going to do is we're going to pound it out, make it all one level thickness, and then that's going to cook evenly for us. Let's do this. Okay guys, I like to top mine with a bit of cling film. Then I get my mallet and give it a good pounding. You can use a rolling pin or an empty bottle of wine, whatever you've got to hand, but I like to use a mallet. Right guys, there you have it. That's 30 seconds of pounding and we've got one level of thickness like so. So that's about ½ inch thick the whole way through, which is exactly what you want. Okay guys, I'm going to keep this really simple. I'm addicted to this Jamaican chicken seasoning and I just think it's wonderful. It's packed with flavour. It's going to cover it with that plus a touch of salt, just a drizzle of olive oil. I'm just going to rub it in. Make sure it's all coated nicely, and this makes the perfect, really quick, delicious marinade. Right, let's turn it over and go again. Brilliant. Now that's going to go straight into the pan. Right guys, our pan is coming up to a medium heat. We're going to give it a drizzle of olive oil, and then we're just going to go straight in with our chicken breast. Right guys, while my chicken breast is slowly cooking on a medium temperature, I don't want nothing too aggressive there. I don't want them spices on the outside burning. I want them just getting nicely charred. So I'm keeping this on a low to medium heat for about 3.5 minutes for each side. While the chicken's doing its thing, let's move over to our flatbread. So this is a shop bought flatbread with coriander and garlic, and I'm just going to literally pour a little bit of olive oil on top, rub that in, right? And I'm just going to pop this in the oven like it is on a preheated oven on a low setting for about 5 minutes. By the time this is out, our chicken should be about ready. Okay guys, the aroma in here is outstanding. That Caribbean spice, oh my god, it's so appetizing. I love it, absolutely love it. Anyway, right, while we're waiting for our chicken to cook, we're going to go ahead and prepare a quick salad. And we're going to go in with some halves of cucumber, cherry tomatoes. I like them in all types of shapes and sizes, so some are going to be halves, some are going to be quarters. I like a lot of texture with my tomatoes. Some coriander, definitely, red onion, and we're just going to go in with just, I would say, half a yellow bell pepper, and let's keep these in medium-sized strips. Wonderful, there you have it. We've almost got our salad ready. Let's check up on our chicken real quick. Right, let's have a look at the color on this. Okay, you can see there, it's looking good. I want to give it another 45 seconds. That's not quite charred enough for me. Right guys, let's finish off our salad. So literally all of our ingredients are going to go into our bowl. Okay, we're going to go in with just a touch of fresh lime. Just look at the vibrancy of that salad, man, it looks beautiful. Touch of salt, not too much. Touch of pepper, not too much. Drizzle of olive oil. Let's check up on our chicken real quick. Okay, let's have a look. Right, now we're talking. See that colour? The extra 45 seconds just created that little bit of crust. That's what I'm talking about. That's real flavour. Right, our chicken is about 3 minutes away from being done. Our flatbread is getting nice and warm and toasty in the oven. Our salad just needs a sprinkle of cashew nuts. And then I'm just going to use my knife to just coat this salad. Okay, let's set our salad to one side and check up on our chicken. Right guys, our chicken is looking perfect. I'm going to take it off the heat and place it on my board, and I'm just going to let it rest there for a few minutes while I check up on my flatbread. Okay guys, we're about to slice into my chicken breast now. It's been sitting on the board for about 2 or 3 minutes resting. The reason I do that is because it allows the chicken breast to finish the cooking process, but also now that I slice into it, all those juices aren't going to spill out. Right, and we're just going to do nice medium-sized pieces. Beautiful. It's got a delicious, like, nice crust on it. Okay guys, 5 minutes in the oven on a low setting, and this naan is just beautiful now. It's nice and fluffy. Before it went in the oven, it was like dense and thick, and now it's soft and fluffy. It's going to make for an amazing lunch. Beautiful. Right, let's plate up. Okay guys, we're going to go in with some simple mayonnaise. So be generous. Some mayo and a touch of pepper. Frank's Red Hot, just a drizzle. We're going to come in with a bit more afterwards. So the mayonnaise with the Frank's Red Hot really goes well together. Then we're going to cool everything down with our salad. And then we're just going to top our naan bread and our salad with this beautiful, beautiful chicken breast. Just look at the colour on that. Right, we're not quite done yet. We're just going to go in with just a touch more Frank's Red Hot, just for colour and a bit of tang. And finally, a squeeze of fresh lime, just to give everything a bit of pop. And there you have it, guys. Caribbean spice chicken breast salad on a warm flatbread. Outstanding. Right, guys, let's get stuck in. This looks incredibly vibrant. The colors look beautiful. The aroma is outstanding. I can't wait to get stuck in. Before I do, guys, can I just ask you to like, subscribe, comment, and hit notifications. All that stuff really helps us. We're releasing 7 videos a week, 1 a day. Show us some love. Anyway, let me get stuck in. Right, first things first, let's try some of this chicken. So I'm going to go for this beautiful piece here, which has got some nice Frank's Red Hot on there. Look at the color on that. So juicy. Right, let's wrap it up. Someone gave you that for lunch, what would you say? Come on. Come on, that's my type of food. There's a lot going on and everything works. Love food like this. So the cucumber, the acidity from the Franks, the coriander with the Jamaican style chicken, the mayo calms it all down, cools it all down. Everything is well balanced. Make this exactly how I've shown you today, step by step, follow it along. Trust me, you will love this, it's really good. Guys, this isn't just delicious, this is Sonny's effing delicious. Well good, man.